So, moving on to my challenge with CryptoFace is going quite well. Now, I did actually have I had a couple of cheeky trades whilst I was away, and I did quite well. I've just closed a really good trade. So it was a long that went out at 7,600. I just closed it at 7,940. It's just gone down again a little bit here. But yeah, I closed it out. My profit now, by the way, can I just show you? I'm up to 2.63 Bitcoins. That's $20,000. $20,930, which is pretty cool. And yeah, you can see here my total profit now over 12 days is 2.4 Bitcoins. That's the profit. I'm up to 2.6, and my daily is 0.2 Bitcoins. So I'm making around about $1,600 a day. It's an absolutely incredible feeling. And I tell you what, you know, you might not like CryptoFace, but this guy, he just has great advice. He even told me to put sunscreen on my head, and I didn't listen.
Oh, well, at least you listened to the stuff that was important. Long at 7,600. For those of you that didn't just listen to what he just said, our boy, 50K sub YouTuber, my friend Keith Waring, joined the Whale Crew, my personal trade group or signal group, if that's what you'd like to call it. And in 12 days, he's turned $1,000, 0.2 Bitcoin into 2.6 Bitcoin. Keith, you are an excellent pupil. I am not the one that makes the trades for you guys. And so it does require you to do the right thing. Keith, you're a great student. Glad to have you. If you're not a subscriber to his channel, certainly go check it out, even though he's a bit rouge.
But yeah, so if you want to check it out, please use my Bybit link if you want to support my channel. The link is below. Obviously, I'm absolutely crushing it, so I'm not too fussed if you don't. But it would be nice. It is always nice if you use my link. And yeah, the group that CryptoFace runs, it's $500 entry. But if you say that I sent you, you can get in.
All right. So, update here, folks. I know I upped the price, but we're going back. And so, let's make this clear. The lifetime membership for the Whale Crew is back to what it was before, the 500. Market Cipher is 0.1 Bitcoin. That's not going to change. Everyone who's been using Market Cipher have said nothing but the most amazing things about it, which we already knew. I already knew which was going to happen. If you don't know what Market Cipher is, it is an indicator that myself and my partner, a mentor of mine, for 2 years have compiled in 3 separate parts: Market Cipher A, B, and Support and Resistance. I have a stream, a video where I go into details of how it works. I am going to make another one. I've been quite busy lately with many different things, so I appreciate your patience. So yeah, shout out to Keith Waring. Taking a look at the market. If we reject off of this midline and keep going up, to me, that is very bullish. Oftentimes, we see Bitcoin in a channel and it goes up and down, right? But when it comes up and it stops in the middle and goes up, that is signs that a breakout is coming. So is it clear yet? Not really, but it's close. Is it possible for us to come down to the low 7,000s? Absolutely, absolutely. But if this starts to turn and starts to head up, I'm going to be more giddy and more excited because that 10,000 is what I believe is the next step, perhaps even more. Okay. Other than that, I think that's pretty much about it. There's not really much else that needs to be said. Let's go ahead and zoom out in some higher time frames here. On the daily, I mean, things haven't really changed. We are still blooming with life many transactions. This green wave represents money flow, transactions. There is life, which is significant for growth. Okay, when we go into the red and there is no movement, that signifies death in downward movement. All right, simple stuff. Keep it simple as much as you can. Be patient. If you are not able to get in, on the entry you want, it will come down. Instead of FOMOing, don't worry, it'll come back down. Actually, you know what? Right now, low leverage is key. If you really want to succeed, if you're having a hard time deciding, should I enter in down at 6,300? Should it be 6,900, 72, whatever, enter in right now. The key is low leverage, not stop losses. Stop losses won't save you. They can cut you out of your profits. But low leverage would be the key. 5x, 10x, you should be pretty safe all around. If you did FOMO in, at whatever level it is now, 7,900, 8K, it might not be a bad move if we keep continuing up. But you probably would want to have some entries on the lower side to make sure that you can dollar cost average yourself and protect yourself from possible liquidation. For those of you that don't know, we are using BitMEX, we're not using BitMEX anymore. I do not have $1 in BitMEX, Bybit only. Shout out to those of you who are posting the profit logs and hanging in the top 20, top 10, top 100 in the Bybit trading competition. We got more to go, so stay patient. Don't over leverage yourself. The tortoise wins the race. The tortoise wins the race. So yeah, if you want to be a part of the whale crew, the price is back to what it was before. It is no longer 0.1 BTC. Market Cipher, the greatest indicator ever, not only for crypto, but applicable to other financial markets, proven, is only 0.1 BTC for a full year. Send me your trading view name, get it in, and you can trade like me and my pupils. So, other than that, what's today, Monday? We'll see. I guess there's some news talk about VanEck and ETFs and whatever. I think people are starting to look for news for possible signs of breakout. You can. It's with. I think we're salivating as Bitcoin holders. We've been through this bear market, and we're ready. I know these people we're ready for it to go higher. So, and if it doesn't, then it's one more shot to get it in to get more Bitcoin. But the trend is our friend. We've been going up for a long time, and I don't see a reason why it should stop now. There's more excitement now. It should go up from here. I am feeling bullish. Call me a moon boy. That's what I feel. That's what I see. I cannot go against what the charts tell me. These charts are telling me that, of course, yes, on where you're going to see things go down, but overall we're going to keep going up higher. So let's buy those dips. Hold on your Bitcoin unless you're using it to gain more Bitcoin legitimately. Market Cipher, Whale Crew, this is the place to be. I'm telling you, if there is no better time to join a group that has not only just me that knows what the hell we're doing. There's going to be windows that come where we just get in there and get it. We adapt to the environment. You guys ask me, I get a lot of questions of, how are the signals formatted? Do you give exits? Do you do this? Do you do that? And the answer is it depends. It depends on the environment. Right now, I believe that we're in the environment of when it goes down, I'm entering longs, safe leverage because I know there's volatility. This could be the environment for a month, 6 months, a year, a week. It depends. We change every day. And if you want to be a part of a group that gets those profits, increasing the Bitcoin, we got more YouTubers coming on board. And I know I've been busy. Like I said, I've been busy. We came out of an aggressive month and a half of trading going nuts. But even in my times of rest, I'm trying to rest and take care of other business. We still, I'm still there. We're still here. We long 7,600. So, come on 10K by Friday.